Dito ba mabuo? Dito. Ano ka na? Ma? Yan na.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, pardon, ma'am.
Tapos man tibukuan.
Ano po? Di pawis, siya na lang. Pawis siya na. Yan na, saan doon? Saan doon? Saan doon?
Puro ni DMC na. Saan tayo? Saan yung kadiwala sa kuwan? Ano school? Oh my God.
Through this hall, through land, air, and water. But definitely, this is the time that we are waiting for. Thus, we will be witnessing this morning the people behind the celebration of success. Please help me welcome your loudest applause, the Association of Deans of Philippine Colleges of Nursing, ably headed Vice President Dr. Judy Ismail. Look at your name. They're the ones responsible why you made it to this moment. Before class coming, music daughter. We have the Philippine Nurses Association Cebu chapter, ably headed by its dynamic and competent president, Nurse John Marcon Toton. We have our board top notcher. Oh my God.
As well. As you enter the profession, remember that nursing is both a science and an art. You will rely on outcomes-based practice, clinical judgment, and technical competence. But beyond this, nursing is deeply human. It requires empathy, patience, cultural sensitivity, and moral courage. You will encounter patients who may not remember your name, but they will remember how you made them feel. Whether you treated them with dignity, mabuhay ang mga bagong nurse ng bayan.
Stand. You are very proud as much as they are also there. Blow them a kiss. Look at them and blow them a kiss. Thank you so much for your parents. And then, of course, diversity and others. You are adults, right? And then even your study groups. They're the ones who cried with you after difficult exams. Laughed with you through the chaos of clinical rotations, diba?
Thumbs up. Give them thumbs up. Okay. And to God, whoever your God is, who made all things possible. So, let us have 3 claps for all of them. Go! Boy, abi na kung may extra clap, kaya hindi niya mo follow the instruction. Okay. So, our newly licensed nurses, be grateful and carry that gratitude into every ward, every clinic, every home you will walk into. As you raise your hand and take the oath, I leave you with these words that have guided nurses across generations. And I call it from God Sainsbury. Nurses dispense comfort, compassion, and care without even a prescription. And I would say that I would also be personally coming from my heart that as nurses, the truest sense of being a nurse is that nurses really are dispensers of hope and healing. So for this, you look at each other eye to eye, eyeball to eyeball, pat each other's shoulders, and say, you are a dispenser of hope and healing. And for your sake, congratulations! Congratulations everyone, of our Buddha once again.
Panang profesional. Ako si ng anong eskwela ay taimtim na nanunumpa na itataguyod ko at ipagtatanggol ang saligang batas ng Pilipinas na ako ay tunay na mananalig at tatalima rito. Nasusundin ko ang mga batas, mga utos na legal, at mga atas na pinahayag na mga sadyang itinakdang may kapangyarihan ng Republika ng Pilipinas. At kusa kong babalikahin ang pananagutang ito na wala anumang kasubali o hanggaring umiwas. Taimtim pa rin akong manunumpa na sa lahat ng panahon at puo na kinaroroonan ay mahigit akong manghahawakan sa mga ethical at tuntuning profesional ng mga NARS sa Pilipinas. At marapat kong gagampanan ng buong husay sa abot ng aking makakaya ang mga tungkulin at pananagutan iniatag sa isang itinakdang nurse. Kasiyahan nawa ako ng Diyos.